I built this custom t-shirt design studio from scratch, and today I'm giving it to you completely free. You can run this tool from your own internet browser. It runs Nano Banana 2, GPT Image 2, Flux, and Imagen 4, all from a single interface, all through one API key. You just need to pick your niche, pick a style, hit generate, and get a print-ready design in seconds. The tool has multiple t-shirt design styles that you can choose from, and it generates your designs without even writing a single prompt. Let me show you exactly how it works and how you can download it. The tool is built on an API key model for image generation. I went with Crun.ai specifically because there's no monthly commitment. You only pay for what you generate, and the rates are genuinely some of the lowest you will find for models like Nano Banana 2 and GPT Image 2. First, to download the T-Prompt Studio tool, just head to our newly established community and then go to the classroom section, the free resources, and here you will find the toolkits and PDFs where you can find the T-Prompt Studio page below. Just download the main file and the user guide in case you would like to understand more about how to use the tool. So the main file is simply an HTML file like this, looks like this. If you double click it, it will open inside your own browser, whether you're using Chrome or Safari or any other browser. So here I'm opening it inside my Chrome browser, and we can start exploring how the tool works. So you just need to enter your API key, as I'm going to show you in the next step from where to get it. Paste your Crun.ai key here and hit test. You get instant confirmation. Greens means you're connected and your credits are active, and you will get to see all the remaining credits in your account, and the key lives only in this browser session while it's open, so nobody can get access to your API key. Next, type your niche, any niche that you want, cat moms, capping dad, nurses, whatever. Then choose a style. There are 20 pre-built options here on the tool: vintage, retro, kawaii, comic book, tattoo inspired, and I'll be updating all these styles by time. And then choose your background, pure white or pure black. Then pick your hook, visual humor, clever wordplay, and let the tool blend all three. And here's where it gets interesting. You switch between the GPT Image 2, the Nano Banana 2, the Flux, and the Imagen 4. Same niche, same style, completely different result from each model. So once you hit generate, the tool builds the full optimized prompt automatically, sends it through Crun.ai, and pulls the image straight back into the interface. And every design saves automatically in the history tab. Download anything you want to keep. Crun.ai stores files for around 14 days, so don't leave good ones sitting there. So to use the T-Prompt Studio tool, you need to get an API key from Crun.ai. So this website simply allows you to only use or pay every time you use your credits without the need to have a monthly subscription. So in other words, if we go to the pricing, for $5 you get 200 credits per dollar, which means 1,000 credits. 1,000 credits enables you to generate around 200 images just if you pay the $5 using the Crun.ai. And if you want more, you can use the $50 package or $500 package, but the $5 package is more than enough. So investing in a $5 package will give you 1,000 credits in your account, and you can check your credits by pressing on your profile image. So here, for example, I have 764 credits left. And to get your API key, you can simply press on the API keys and then create a new key. You can name it anything like T-Prompt key, for example, and then press create, and you will have your key ready. Just copy it from this button here, and then go back to the studio page and paste your API key here. And once you press on the test key, you can see if the key is valid and the remaining number of credits. So this is how simple you can use the tool, and you will not be charged anything until you finish the credits. So these are the designs that were generated, and now using the new version, you can see the credits used to generate each design and also the style that was used in addition to the prompt. So that was it, a quick tutorial on how you can use the T Prompt Studio and where to download it. So drop in the comments if you would like to add any other image generation models for this tool, and I'm going to update the tool regularly, and you can get it from inside the newly established community. So subscribe if you want more tools and tutorials built specifically for print on demand and merge designs, and I'll see you in the next one.